Senator, bakit may ibang senador na sinasabi pinamimigay mo daw yung Kalayaan Island Group?
Kailan ko daw sinabi?
Galante ito si
Minsan.
Alam mo, ini-splice nila eh.
Palagay
even
ko.
Pero tama yun. Paano, for the record,
context,
para maging klaro, ano
Ano yung
talaga?
sinabi niyo,
That
Senator?
happened when 35 members of the armed forces were up for confirmation.
Ay, oo nga.
Parang last
Sana,
week yun,
oo.
Gopen, you know. So I was surprised that even the one who represented them, who's a captain, is the highest ranking na nandun sa amin. Hindi niya alam na yung key features ng Kalayaan Island Group, 4 of them, which are being occupied by the Philippines today, hindi niya alam na nalabas siya sa ating exclusive economic zone.
More than 200 nautical miles
270
away.
All the while, can you imagine that? All the while, ang akala niya, nasa loob ng ECC. So, Commodore Tariela did not even tell them the whole story. So, akala ko ba siya ang spokesman ng WPS Transparency Group Office?
Correct.
He has not been so transparent about it.
So,
So,
teka,
ano nangyari?
this is a
lumitaw yun.
Navy captain, sir?
Hindi, armed forces siya.
So, Army or
Si
ano?
Commodore, ang counterpart niya sa Army is a general.
General, general.
Kaya lang, civilianized na ang Coast Guard, alam mo naman.
Yes,
Kaya lang, tayo naman. Kahit civilian ka na, naka-uniforme ka pa. So,
Under DOTR ang Coast Guard eh.
Yes.
Pero,
So-
uniform servicemen sila. Yun ang
So,
naging problema.
nagulat sila na outside,
Hindi nila
tapos may
alam.
nagre-react na ibang mga senador nga na pinamimigay niya. Pero this is correct. Yung Kalayaan Island Group, hindi outside siya sa EEZ kasi ang claim natin sa kanya is occupation.
Walang question doon, di ba? We exercise sovereignty over
walang
Kalayaan
question
because
doon.
matagalan nating occupied
Tayo
yun
ang
eh.
occupant doon.
Yes.
So, territory natin yun.
Yes, oo.
Ang hindi lang nila maintindihan, okay, kinokonect nga natin yung na-generate na maritime area doon sa tinatawag na West Philippine Sea.
Yes,
Magkakaroon na napakaraming obstacles
Yes.
doon mismo sa articles ng UNCLOS. Kaya ko sabi ko, Kapitan, do you realize the legal impediments? Sa UNCLOS pa lang sasabit na tayo. So nung minumustra ko yung difficulty, I was raising a question out of pique.
Yes.
Para bang sinabi ko kay Gob Ben, Gob, sinasabi ko sa iyo, mapanganib talaga yung lugar na yan, ha?
So hindi niyo
Pero
sinabi
bahala
na
ka.
i-give up na natin.
Hindi, bahala ka. Pero kung gusto mong magpakamatay, Ben, pumunta ka doon. I am not advocating na magpakamatay si Gob Ben. I'm stressing yung warning ko sa kanya na huwag kang pupunta doon dahil mapanganib. So sinabi ko, it's very impossible na ma-enclose mo siya because there are several obstacles. Okay? So, you cannot do this unless you give it up. Parang ganun lang, no? I am not advocating. Teritoryo natin yun eh.
Yes.
And territory is not part of the ruling or of the arbitral tribunal.
Correct.
Wala sa jurisdiction na yun.
Kasi unclose yun sa arbitration.
Unclose tayo eh.
Unclose tayo.
Ano ba yung napakahirap na intindihin? Bakit pinalalala? Bakit nila ginawang chapsuy? At meron pang isang retired justice at isang professor ng UP ang naglagay ng seasoning. Kaya lalong
So,
Naging chapsuy.
so very clear, Atty. Trixie, hindi niya pinamimigay. Tama. Para
hindi natin sinabi ko nga.
Hindi rin naman siya, wala rin namang personality si
Ang premise ko nga,
Senator
sabi ko,
ipamigay,
Kapitan, we have to defend and
Yes,
protect what is ours, what is legally ours.
Correct.
Sasamahan kita dyan. We will have to defend it to the last drop
including
of our blood.
the KIG.
We are referring to the KIG.
Yes.
Hindi nila kinuha yun. Ang kinuha lang nila, yung pick na sinabi ko na, paano mo gagawin yun without giving it up? I did not say that we will give it up. Why should we give it up? Atin yun eh.
Atin.
So,
Natin
para sa
yun. I've been there
kaliwanagan,
Napunta na ako
So,
doon.
ano ang pinag-uusapan lang?
Mayroong functioning government, local government
Yung tubig doon ang pinag-uusapan because of the difficulty of enclosing it and connecting it
Correct.
and included in the
in our-
West Philippine Sea.
So yun naman pala, kakampi pala si Senator Marcoleta
Ang pinalalako lang
natin
nila.
na atin at walang kaduda-duda yung Kalayaan Island.
Oo.
Meron
Kasi nga, we have a
ring-
functioning local government
Yes.
unit. We own it. Our sovereignty. Kasi nandun tayo sa atin yan. Yun, ang dinilinaw lang niya na malayo yan sa EEZ.
It's not part of our
Part of
EEZ.
EEZ.
Oo,
Ang
hindi
concern
siya,
kasi natin, yung tubig nga.
Correct.
Pinipilit
malinaw na
natin
dalawa.
i-define yung meets and bounds ng West Philippine Sea. So, i-include natin yung tubig nila. Pag ginawa natin yun, Attorney Trixie, we are appropriating
Yes.
the high seas.
Teka, maano lang ako, light. Na-confirm ba yung mga kapitan? Because they cannot answer.
Oo
Na-confirm
naman,
hindi?
sabi ko, Kapitan, maging honest ka lang. Kung hindi mo alam ang sagot,
Okay lang.
I will not take it against you.
Yes,
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na yung Pag-asa, for example, which is also called internationally as Tito Island, is 227 away from the EEZ. Labas talaga. And most of them are more than 200 nautical miles away.
Ang nautical miles for the EEZ is counted from our baseline.
Archipelagic. Dalawa kasi ang baseline
so from the
sa Tony.
territorial.
Yes.
From
Pero,
the territorial sea. Ang territorial sea is 12 nautical miles from the shore.
From the
Yes.
shore, yes.
So, ang Kalayaan Island Group has its own territorial
Yes,
sea.
yes.
Wala lang siyang EEZ.
Wala.
Yes, walang iisip.
Isinabi yun dun sa arbitral decision.
Yes, yes.
Decision.
So, pero bakit ba na may misinterpret ka, Idol?
Hindi,
Bakit ka na
siguro,
may
yung iba
misinterpret?
siguro, hindi ako, sinasadya nilang i-misinterpret kasi hindi nila talaga masolve yung conundrum. Totoo naman na nahihirapan. Can you imagine, 14 years after the administrative order in 2012 was issued by President Pinoy, ordering the NAMRIA to prepare the maps and chart in consultation with the DFA to submit it to the office of the UN Secretary General because that is the only way
That's
to
part of
notify
the-
the whole world
Yes.
that you have a claim.
Yes.
That's part of the UNCLOS.
Ano ginawa ba ng NAMRIA?
Wala. And
ba't
two,
hindi na ginawa?
2 years ago, siguro, November 2024, sabi ng NAMRIA, we will produce the Philippine map with the West Philippine Sea soon. That was 2 years ago. So, meron ba? Sabi ni Senator Tol, na-confuse yata siya. No, we already submitted. But I think he was confused. What we submitted are the archipelagic baselines and
bilang baseline.
and sea lanes. At saka yung sa ating yung continental shelf in connection with our petition for extended
Continental
shelf
shelf.
in the Benham Rise.
Yes.
Yun ang sinabit natin.
Magkaiba yun eh.
Magkaiba naman yun. We're talking about the
Malayo
West
na sa
Philippine
kabilang
Sea
side.
and we're talking about the continental shelf,
Yes.
extended continental shelf.
Correct. So,
Ang daming, napakasimple lang, Attorney Trixie.
Pero bakit ba napakaingay nitong napakaingay issue ng...
Oy, gusto
West
nilang
Philippine
mag-ingay because they try to present a new narrative,
Kasi parang-
a different narrative that will benefit them politically. Para namang hindi mo
or
nakikita.
yung iniisip ng mga masa, sinasabi, pinag-aawayan yung West Philippine Sea dahil may natural gas, mayaman ng karagatan dyan, yung mga isda, etc. etc.
Mayaman
ba talaga?
Question,
Mayroon naman nagsasabi, it's because of geopolitical issues, yun na mas malalim naman at mas mahirap maintindihan dahil yan ginagamit tayo ng US, China, Taiwan, etc.
Hindi kasi,
ASEAN, Japan.
marami kasing
Ang
sumasawsaw.
gulo eh.
Sinasabi ko sa iyo kanina.
Yes, sir.
Even the learned, the most learned
Agreed.
former justice of the Supreme Court, for a while sinabi niya, we do not need to put the coordinates of the EEZ
Yes.
because it's very easy to compute.
Based
Let's say
on
200 nautical miles from the baseline.
Yes. However...
Nakalimutan niya, ma'am.
Correct.
Nakalimutan niya. Yung EEZ natin, ang daming overlap.
Correct.
Sa Malaysia, because of the Sabah claim, may overlap.
Yes.
Okay? Sa Palau and Japan, meron tayong overlap sa Philippine Sea and the Basi Channel.
Yes.
Doon sa Indonesia, Celebes Sea and
mayroon
our
tayo
Sulu Sea.
dyan,
Kung wala sanang overlap, ideally, huwag ka na maglagay ng coordinates. That's why, in Article 47 of the UNCLOS, na minandate niya
Yes.
sa mga states, maglagay kayo ng coordinates.
Ay, ginawa na ba natin yun?
deposit.
Ginawa natin under Republic Act 9522.
Okay, so
So,
nagawa-
tama naman tayo.
Correct.
Okay. But that's all that we did. Sinagsubmit tayo ng sea lanes, archipelagic baselines,
Yes.
at saka nga yung ating petition for extended continental
Continental
shelf.
shelf,
Not the West Philippine Sea.
Wala pa nga noon eh. Nung,
Kasi,
Why do you think after 14 years ng
bakit
RIA
nawala yung
is not being
bakit
able
hindi
to
nasama yung West Philippine Sea doon sa...
yes nga sir, bakit,
bakit?
hanggang ngayon hindi pa nalalagay ng NAMRIA yung West
Oo,
Philippine
hindi pa nila
Sea?
ginagawa.
Paano nyo nga i-do-drawing yun? Sina-challenge ko nga sila eh. Kung gusto nyo ka ako, sasama ko sa inyo. Gusto ko ring malaman, paano ninyo ka ako aayusin yung Article 7 ng UNCLOS na mababiolate nyo if you do that. Ano sinasabi ng Article 7? Kapag ginuhitan nyo kanya, it's about the straight baseline. Sabi niya, kailangan pagka i-connect ninyo, you should not appreciably distort the contour, the general direction of your coastline. Violated
Yes.
tayo.
So, dapat
Under
susundan
47, Article 47, hindi nyo magagawa, sabi ng UNCLOS. Why? Even if you are an archipelagic baseline, because these are far, far apart, masyadong malalayo yung features eh. You will not be able to meet the requirements of the water-to-land ratio, which is 1.9.
Correct.
Malalayo. Okay. Hindi lang naman tayo, Gov. ang sinabihan ng arbitral tribunal. Sabi niya sa China, oy, kahit ikaw China, you cannot appropriate, you cannot enclose that. Why? You are not an archipelagic state. You are a
Correct,
continental state.
Yes,
Correct.
yes,
So,
correct.
So,
hindi
yung
ko may
9-dash
China.
line, X na
Tayo,
yun,
inadmit natin yun. Do you know why we admitted that? We submitted a note verbal in March 2002.
Okay.
Okay? Sabi natin, kami napapailalim dyan. Kaya ang ginawa natin, gumawa tayo ng batas.
Yes.
R8 12046. In acknowledgement of the ruling of the arbitral tribunal.
Yes. Recent yan.
Inamend natin yung Presidential Decree 1596 na ginawa ni President Marcos Sr.
Senior,
Binax niya yung Spratlys.
Kaya nabawasan tayo sa KIG.
Nawala yung box.
Oo.
So we amended that. Sa ngayon, ang makikita mo ngayon, they are now defying the West Philippine Sea, the maritime, the territorial seas na lang. The individual territorial seas enclaved by all these features. O di iba-ibang territorial seas, which are now separated by the high seas. Kaya nahamon ko yung NAMRIA. Gumawa nga ako ng proposal ng resolution, Gopin.
appropriate,
Patatawag natin ng NAMRIA. Bakit hirap na hirap kayo? After 14 years, you have not yet submitted. You have not complied with the administrative order number
By
29.
President
Yes.
Pinoy.
Para sa ganun malinaw.
Oo. Pero alam mo, with all these technicalities, legalities, ang sa tao
Hindi
hindi,
siya
ano,
technicality.
ang sinasabi ng mga tao.
Pero napakasimple, Gopin, kasi pinalalala lang, pinarbibigat, kamukha ng professor sa UP.
Anong na-feel mo?
Attorney Trixie, kaklase mo yata
Anong
yun.
na-feel mo nung
Si Attorney J?
na banatan ka doon sa issue, doon sa issue ng, sabi mo nga, in-splice, yung anong feeling mo nung...
Wala naman. Sabi ko kasi, ako nananatiling naniniwala, Gopin, na ang Pilipino, matalino yan eh. Darating ang, siguro hindi naman magtatagal. Ngayon lang, naiintindihan na nila eh. Marami nang nasasabi ganun lang pala, napakasimple ba? Paano nga nilalagyan ng seasoning? At naglalagay ng seasoning, kaklase mo yata yung professor sa UP, nagtuturo ng maritime law.
Si Professor J. Batumbak.
Okay.
Ahead siya sa akin, sir.
Kung professor ka ng maritime law, you talk about admiralty, you talk about
Yes,
this carrier of goods, shipping lines, insurance, blah blah blah. But do not assume that you are an expert in international law. Ma'am Trixie ako, I do not even assume. Kaya lang nagbabasa ako eh. Nagbabasa ako. Inaaral ko talaga. I am not an expert. Pero yung basic, naiintindihan ko. Huwag na ninyong palalabuin. Huwag nyo nalalagyan ng seasoning.
Sir.